Hello food lovers, in today's video I will be cooking akki roti. It's a traditional and popular Karnataka cuisine rice flour based roti. As name itself suggests, it's made with fine rice flour or akki hittu. Karnataka based recipes are generally known for its healthy breakfast variations, and akki roti is one such easy, healthy and nutritious yet a simple breakfast recipe. So now let's find out what goes into this recipe. Around half cabbage chopped. A cup of sprouted green gram. A cup of rice flour. Around half capsicum finely chopped. A cup of grated coconut. A big size onion finely chopped. And whole amla grated. A tablespoon of grated ginger. A tablespoon of finely chopped curry leaves. A tablespoon of chopped green chilies. A cup of chopped coriander leaves. A teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 to 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. A teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Around half a cup of water. Half cup of curd. Coconut oil or any cooking oil as per your preference. So now let's get started. Firstly, take some water in a bowl and add little salt to it and soak cabbage in it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the water from the cabbage and wash the cabbage for around 2 to 3 times thoroughly and then finely chop them. Let's prepare dough. For dough, take a mixing bowl and add a cup of chopped cabbage to it. Add a cup of sprouted green gram. Chopped capsicums, a cup of grated coconut, chopped coriander leaves, a tablespoon of grated ginger, and whole amla grated, and big onion chopped, a tablespoon of curry leaves, a tablespoon of chopped green chilies, 1 to 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of salt or according to your taste, half a cup of curd and mix them well. Now add a cup of rice flour to it and mix them thoroughly. Now add around half a glass of water and knead to the smooth and soft dough without putting much pressure. Now the dough is ready. Place a tawa on a stove on medium flame. Akki roti can be prepared in two ways. The first way is you can prepare it in banana leaf. To prepare in banana leaf, grease the banana leaf first with a teaspoon of oil. I have used coconut oil, you can use any oil. Take a ball sized dough and tap gently to thin the thickness. Make 4 or 5 holes, this will help to roast. The second way is to tap directly on the tawa. For this method, take a ball sized dough and tap gently to thin the thickness. Make 4 to 5 holes in this too, as it will help them to cook well. Now add a teaspoon of oil and cook on both sides until it turns golden brown. Now the base side is cooked. Let's flip it over. Both the sides are cooked well and turned golden brown. Let's take it out on a plate. Now let's cook the roti which we had tapped on a banana leaf. Flip the banana leaf over to hot tawa and press gently. After a minute, peel the banana leaf gently. Flip over once the base is cooked. Now roast both the sides until it turns golden brown. Finally, add a teaspoon of butter over it. With this, your akki roti is done and ready. And like I said, it's easy, simple and nutritious that you can make it in a jiffy. Now you serve it with coconut chutney, garlic chutney or any other varieties of chutney. You can also serve it with curd or have it by itself. Just enjoy. Do try this healthy, simple and easy breakfast recipe at your home and let me know how you like it. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with many more interesting recipes. Until then, signing off.